This opportunity to sincerely thank and commend the services fervently rendered by the Civil Commission Chairperson, Attorney Carlo A. Villanueva, and the DOST Secretary, Dr. Renato Solido, who are serving as co-chairs of the Scientific Career Council, and my fellow Science Career Council members, Attorney Angelo Jimenez, the UP Systems President, and Dr. Amy Dean Marion Bulbo, NRCP President, and members of the Special Technical Committees and Technical Working Group. Their instrumental roles in developing and implementing the scientific career system have enhanced its policy-making capabilities, ensuring a more responsive system that caters to the needs of career scientists and fostering efficiency and productivity in research. We are committed to continuous improvement of the system in the coming years. Allow me to thank all of the agency heads present here today. Your unwavering support for career scientists with the necessary equipped environment to grow as productive researchers and committed career scientists contributing to our country's progress. To our newly conferred and upgraded career scientists, congratulations once more on all the milestones in your career. We stand committed to support future endeavors which undoubtedly will drive the advancement of science and technology in our